What is up, guys? This is the Desert Spartan, and today I have an all-natural 4-ingredient pre-workout. Now, each of these ingredients contain very own special benefits, but it is best if you use all organic. If you don't have all organic, that is alright, but in the long run, using all organic may definitely increase the benefits. So let's jump right into it. With cayenne pepper, this is going to help boost your metabolism, lower blood pressure, and aid in digestion. Using the Himalayan salt is going to help improve your body's pH, it's going to help hydration through trace minerals, and it's going to help balance your hormones. With the apple cider vinegar, you want to make sure it contains the mother, which is the probiotic that's in it, which is going to help kill bacteria, lower blood sugar levels, and it also contains acetic acid, which is shown to prevent fat accumulation. The lemon juice contains vitamin C, helps prevent kidney stones, and aids in digestion. It's also been shown to help hydration. So we got all these ingredients here. We got the lemon juice, we got our apple cider vinegar, got our Himalayan salt, and the cayenne pepper. Now I'm just going to mix them all into one. So we got the lemon in here already. I'm going to add a little cayenne pepper. Now there isn't a specific amount you should add. I just do a decent amount of each one. So we got probably about this much of lemon juice, as you can see inside this cup. We're going to do a quick sprinkle. You don't want too much cayenne pepper, you just want a good little go of it to get your morning going. It's going to be good. Do our Himalayan salt. Very good for you. Also very good to replace regular table salt and start using this, but I can get into that on another video. Apple cider vinegar has lots of benefits and can be used for many different things, and even this all-natural pre-workout. So I do a little spritz of that too, don't want too much, and we're going to take this over and fill it up with some warm alkaline water and take this thing down. Now I get this alkaline water from my work, and it's very effective and nice to have. Fill it up about that much and down it right before you're about to go work out. So that's what I'm about to do. Let's get right into it. Let's all have a great day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 4-ingredient, all-natural, quick and easy pre-workout. Been using this for a few weeks now and it is very effective. I'm about to down this. I'm about to be focused and ready to pump out this workout before I head out to work. If you guys did enjoy, please smash that like button. Again, thank you guys for watching. This is the Desert Spartan, signing out.